you're a little unique that you said, and you said your model has changed, but you do self-serve and some commercial. But if I'm correct, you don't do residential
Not
pickup and
pickup and
delivery.
delivery. We'll do walk in the door, wash and fold, and there's a million ways to run the business. Okay, so there's no one right or wrong way. But we decided we've been looking at home pickup and delivery for over 10 years. In fact, I remember talking to a few folks about it before it was even really popular. And for me, for our business model, I just felt that the barrier to entry was too low. It was too easy for anybody to decide to get in the business. All they need is a home washer and a car and a cell phone, and theoretically they could be in business. However, we did get in the commercial business, and their pickup and delivery is really important, and we can talk about that more if you want. But the primary benefit with pickup and delivery there is you can do what I call control the flow. So that's another reason why we didn't want to do residential. We didn't want to have to be committed to a 24-hour turnaround or whatever. And with a commercial business, because your customers are more routine, you have a handful of them, you're able to set up what I call a route where you go to them, for example, on a Monday and take it back to them on Wednesday or Thursday. And so once you get a feel for your customers and the kind of volumes they have, you can go back and budget your operations and productions to meet that flow. So it's very predictable and manageable. And that's one of the reasons why we decided to stay in commercial pickup and delivery and not residential.